to start engaging one by one with first and another start. So chastity is a moral virtue. Chastity means being alive for purity, innocence, and listening to God's relation. It is about living twice that respect the whole world's character and other, and treating one character from the other because and who belong to the lower classes because they are immoral and they are unrespectable. It was very good.
The jail. And after that, he seen in the first dream of the beautiful girl Emily. And after that, I have a brother, Suleiman. Suleiman was the sure brother of Arsed. And he was also the lover of Emily. And Emily wants you both fight to one to. I am a good barrister and excellent. I am take care the land of night. I am a dress of green clothing and I am a keep arrow in a good condition. Eventually, just in front of people, not at a long time. So this is not really, this is just our students. So this is not very
when they try to seduce Mr. Joseph Andrews, so they feel ashamed and guilt as well. And after that, if we talk about the another things in unchastity, the consequences of so unchastity can lead to, ostracism. If we see the case of Betty as well, Fielding suggests us that unchastity can lead to the thing which is unethical and immoral as well. And you can lose your everything like your character and your personal values as well. After that, if I talk about the chastity and gender role, so chastity and gender role, if we see the whole novel, so we explain that and we summarize that chastity is the topic chastity of Joseph Andrew is a novel about a young man who believes his purity and innocent destiny. He faces many temptations but remains committed his failure. Finally, he finds happiness with his true love, Penny. Juliet wants to live and good. Inside and outside, he avoids the things that make him envious. He controls his desire and action. He does not do the thing that might hurt himself or others. He tries to be a good person and do the right things. He wants to make good choices for right and be a positive influence. He stayed true to his values and beliefs. He does not compromise to his principles even when it's hard. He waits for the right time. And for physical love, he believes in selling himself for a right person. He gives himself favor and good. He does not he does not do the thing that might harm his relationship and himself. That's all about my topic. I would like to invite